that pays decently. This gives you financial independence. You might now be living away from your parents, staying in a rented house in another city. Slowly, you start buying things you want. Furniture, fridge. Slowly, your home is filled with things you like. In some time, you will want to maybe buy a car or a house. This is like natural progression. If you look at it, there's a pattern here. Your needs are increasing by the day. These become your financial goals, like retirement, child's education. The problem with growing needs is that only savings won't be of much help to realize these. So, how do we achieve all this? What we need is a plan and a systematic way to execute this. Consider SIP or Systematic Investment Plan, a type of investment that can actually help you achieve your goals by investing regularly in mutual funds. Now, what exactly is an SIP? We know that regular exercise is good for our health. When you exercise, you don't get a six-pack in a week or a month. But slowly, you start seeing its benefits. You will first become fit, and then your shape gets set. This happens over a period of time when you exercise regularly. Investing in SIP works out for our financial health in the same way. You invest your money at regular intervals in an SIP, which finally grows to large amounts over a period of time. Now, most of us don't have a large lump sum to invest. But the good news is that you can start an SIP with smaller amounts and increase gradually year over year. That is the first benefit of SIP. There are other benefits too. As you know, the market has its ups and downs, and timing the market is very difficult for most of us. But when you invest in SIP, you don't need to worry where the market is going, because your regular investment in high and low market conditions averages out to a good return in the long run. So if timing the market or market fluctuations were a worry, it shouldn't be anymore. SIP gets its strength from the power of compounding. Compounding can help you grow small sums of money over time into large sums, enough to fulfill your dreams. You can watch our video on benefits of investing to understand the power of compounding. Compounding power is another great benefit of SIP. So actually, an SIP is an investment installment, similar to an installment, say, for a home loan. Just like a home loan builds your dream home, at the end, SIP grows small sums of money to a large amount that can get you to your goals in the end. When invested regularly, your money grows enough to make any dream a reality. After all, it's your dream. It's your responsibility to make it happen. Nobody else can. Only a systematic approach like SIP will help you achieve this faster. Mutual fund investments are the stepping stones to your dreams.